Binakawali kisa sarat talanga nanomu samai wakatobo kana bekando vital mata kimi bal mula ando tikini bulan bimbi balata nonton bulat tikuna besina na bekando wakasuta kana nonton kabaga mata kesona kanta sarni mai bakafara tikuna bekendo tikuna.
Empower Pacific, a national NGO previously known as Pacific Counseling and Social Services, has been providing donor-funded counseling services on behalf of the Ministry of Health since 2003. Empower Pacific staff work closely with the Ministry of Health staff to provide professional counseling and psychosocial support to patients admitted to Ministry of Health hospitals.
With the counseling services available, we have actually found out that they really is a big part of the ministry. Our patients, they need time to be spent with them, which they sort of fit in that gap.
They would refer any cases that they can think of that counseling would help, which includes social work interventions. And the job would be for our counselors to do the basic assessments as well as providing the counseling aspect of the work.
Since 2013, the Australian government, through the Fiji Health Sector Support Program, has been funding Empower Pacific to provide counselling services in hospitals and health centres. For the first time in 2014, the Ministry of Health also contributed to the costs of these services, which include voluntary counselling and HIV testing for pregnant women and their partners at select facilities including CWM, Lambasa, Lautoka and Nandi hospitals, as well as Nausori Maternity Hospital.
For the patients who get discharged from the hospital, the doctors and the nurses would work with the family in terms of, okay, this is the medications they need to have, whereas we would work closely in monitoring that the family understands and care plans written out according to their level of understanding, just so that there's a continuum of care when patients are discharged from the hospital. We would work with them to do basic assessments in terms of what they already have at home, their resources and how they can better utilize their resources. Since we are not a charity organization, we try and empower them to see what they can use with the resources that they have at home.
When you feel worried, what happens?
Empower Pacific is an advocate of rights, an educator and a counsellor who plays an important role in Fiji's health system. The Australian government, through its Fiji Health Sector Support Program, is a proud supporter of its work.